graduation is crucial for your success. In this video, we help you to provide step-by-step roadmap to become successful finance professional, including areas of higher study options, qualification and skills required to succeed in finance field, and different components of finance field to make your career growth more robust. In general, anyone opted for commerce graduation will have a goal of becoming CFO of a company at some point of time. Your higher studies, especially after your graduation, will have a high influence on your success in becoming CFO. In current competitive scenario, you need at least one strong professional qualification according to your country's requirements to become CFO at the shortest period of time. Finance itself a broad area and you need to have strong understanding of each functions and practical experiences across diversified finance functions. The first part is accounting and reporting. This is where your learning starts when you enter into any accounting study, and it is important to build strong foundations in this area, including accounting concepts, generally accepted accounting principles, international financial reporting standards, along with strong base in your own country's accounting standards and different accounting treatments for different business transactions. There are three branches of accounting and all of these should be part of your higher studies, but when you enter into corporate world, your area of work may be limited to only one part of this accounting branch or more than that depending on your business volume and organizational size. Accounting standards and selecting suitable accounting treatments for few of the scenarios may be difficult, but don't worry too much about that. When you get a chance to work in companies, you focus more on improving this piece. As your experiences increases, you will get the expertise level of understanding in this area. Once you are familiarized in accounting and reporting, how to look at things in view of auditing and assurance is another important study. In real corporate world, you need to handle variety of audits, and each audit will require different skills. Again, give focus on understanding the importance on foundations in your studies. Training in your professional course will address getting enough exposure in this area. The third part is taxation. This is another interesting area both in your studies as well as in your profession. Give more focus on tax treatments for different business transactions. Get enough understandings on tax laws. In case your career starts in multinational companies, you will gain knowledge on international taxes too. A finance profession should have strong exposures to different regulatory compliances depending on the nature of company or business. However, your professional course should address all the important regulatory laws to make you fit when you enter into corporate world. So give equal focus on learning this part as well. Last but not least, another broad area is finance management. This is the area you may not get real world experience even in your professional trainings, but people who are well equipped to manage finance of any company will have extreme career growth. It will take some number of years to get the required knowledge and practical experiences in all these finance pillars. There are many other important skills required beyond your qualification and practical experiences. We will cover those in a separate video. Considering CFO is your end target, it is recommended to select one accountant or related qualifications after your graduation. This may include certified CPA, ACCA, chartered accountants, depending on your country, cost and management accountant. If you are really passionate about CFO and outperform others, you can also include one more international qualification to your qualification portfolio. Ideally, CFA or FRM is the best choice considering high demands for finance management areas. If you are good at statistical and business maths and want to pursue other than accounting finance professional courses, actuarial studies is the best choice available for you. In case you selected commerce graduation without having idea but want to pursue any other growing career options other than accounting, data science may be the wonderful option, but you should build strong mathematical and statistical knowledge and you should be interested in learning programming languages like R, Python, SQL, etc. This is slightly another field of study. If you're really interested, you can think of this also after graduation. A final thought: We give you images of the popular CFO. Just see their qualification. They are not pure accountants. Instead, they might be from economics, science, or any other max or any other background from a highly reputed international institutions. It is costly to pursue masters or any other studies in those reputed institutions as the cost of education is higher, but have a long-term vision to pursue one executive programs in these institutions. Once you start earning with your accountant or any master degree qualification, and after having a number of years experience, give a chance to pursue one big course in any internationally reputed institutions. This will always help you to grow beyond your vision, similar to what you see in the images.